Have you noticed lately that something as simple as climbing the stairs feels heavier than it used to? Or that bending down to pick something up from the floor takes just a little more effort than before? Maybe you've even caught yourself saying, "Well, I guess that's just old age." But what if I told you it doesn't have to be? What if I told you that the quiet loss of strength you may be feeling isn't just age? It's something called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. And the truth is, you can fight it. You can rebuild strength, restore energy, and keep your independence. And it begins not with pills, powders, or expensive programs, but with something as simple, as sweet, and as natural as fruit. Yes, 4 everyday fruits that can help protect and rebuild your muscles after 60. Stay with me until the end of this video, because the last fruit I'll share with you is not only powerful for your muscles, but it can also help you sleep better tonight. And before we dive in, I'd love for you to stop. You to hit that subscribe button to the Wisdom Aurora. And don't forget to like this video. It helps us bring more wisdom to more people just like you. Now, let's start this journey together. The first fruit I want to share with you is one you may already know for its digestive benefits, prunes. But prunes are far more powerful than most people realize. They're rich in boron and vitamin K, nutrients that keep bones and muscles strong as we age. They also contain antioxidants that fight inflammation in your muscles, reducing soreness and helping your body recover. Just a few prunes a day, maybe stirred into a warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning, can quietly protect you against muscle breakdown. Imagine how such a small act could be the difference between feeling fragile or feeling steady on your feet. The second fruit is a classic favorite, the banana. Most people think bananas are only about potassium, but here's the secret. They also contain magnesium, which is just as important. Together, these minerals support smooth muscle contractions, prevent painful cramps, and keep your nerves firing the way they should. And here's something practical. 1 banana before a walk or light activity can give you a steady, clean source of energy without the crash. It's nature's simple fuel, easy, affordable, and powerful. Now, let's move to the third fruit, the bright and refreshing orange. Oranges aren't just delicious, they're loaded with vitamin C, which your body uses to make collagen. Collagen is the glue that keeps your muscles, tendons, and ligaments strong and flexible. But here's the thing, our natural collagen production slows down as we age. That's why oranges matter more now than ever. Think of them as builders, quietly repairing the invisible scaffolding of your body so that you're stay connected and supported. A glass of fresh orange juice in the morning, or even just peeling an orange in the afternoon. It's a small act that helps you move with more confidence and less pain. And now we've arrived at the fourth fruit, the one many people overlook. Tart cherries. This fruit is a true secret weapon. Tart cherries contain anthocyanins, compounds that dramatically reduce inflammation and soreness. But here's the exciting part. Tart cherry juice has been shown in studies to actually support muscle regeneration. That means your aging muscles can recover faster, grow stronger, and even repair overnight while you sleep. Just half a cup of unsweetened tart cherry juice in the evening is all it takes. And as a bonus, it helps calm your body for a deeper, more restful sleep. Imagine waking up not only stronger, but also more refreshed. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can fruits alone really make that big of a difference? And the answer is, fruits are powerful, but your daily habits will decide whether that power takes root in your life. So let's talk about a few habits that work hand in hand with these fruits to keep your body strong. First, walk daily. It doesn't have to be fast. Even 20 minutes of slow, steady walking improves blood flow, keeps joints moving, and tells your muscles you're still needed. Remember, consistency matters more than speed. Second, add in gentle strength training. You don't need a gym. Chair rises, wall push-ups, lifting light weights, or even just using your own body weight can awaken muscles that have been asleep. Just 10 to 15 minutes, 3 times a week, sends a clear message to your body. We still need strength here. And third, never underestimate the power of hydration. Water isn't just about thirst, it's about muscle function. Muscles are like engines, and water is the oil that keeps them running smoothly. 6 to 8 glasses a day can prevent fatigue and stiffness that we often mistake for aging. So what does this all mean? It means that your strength, your balance, your independence, they are not gone. They are simply waiting to be awakened. Every time you choose one of these fruits, every time you walk a little more, drink a little more water, or rise from your chair with intention, you are telling your body, I still choose strength. I still choose life. If this message touched you, let me ask you something. What's your favorite fruit? Drop it in the comments below, because I'd love to know what's in your kitchen right now. And if you've learned something new today, please like this video, share it with a friend or family member, and don't forget to subscribe to the Wisdom Aurora for more powerful and practical health wisdom. Remember, after 60, life is not about decline. It's about designing the strength, energy, and vitality you want for the years ahead. And sometimes, the first step begins with something as simple as the fruit sitting on your table. If this message gave you hope, I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments which of these fruits you'll be adding to your routine first. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to the Wisdom Aurora, so together we can build a healthier, stronger life after 60.